go, 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 go. I don't know if mine could even come back. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Mud slide. Go, 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 go. Like, come back around, right? You're gonna tumble over. Wow, mine came back. Yeah, my spur gear is bad. No, I gotta change the spur gear first. Wow, look at this climb, man. Subhanallah. All stock. I can hear the grinding. Yeah, I got 4x4. Just a 4x4 and low gear. Almost sounds like something got stuck in mine. Wow. Mudding.
Yeah, I need to get a waterproof jacket. Where is it? Where's that?
It's $20 on Amazon, or 30 bucks, very cheap.
Oh, yeah?
It's the #1 selling jacket on Amazon.
Oh, shit. When did you get it?
Like 2 months ago.
Look it up. Anytime. I leave it out for like 2 weeks, then return it. Going on already. Oh, yo! And now both stuff.
Oh, Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh, it broke.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Is the camera recording?
Huh?
Is the camera recording?
Right now.
Going on already. Oh, yo! And now both stuff.
Oh, Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh, it broke.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Is the camera recording?
Huh?
Is the camera recording?